Chicago City, the Windy City Complete Travel Documentary, INTRO. What makes Chicago one of the most fascinating cities in the United States? Is it the breathtaking skyline, the world-famous deep dish pizza, the beautiful Lake Michigan shoreline, or the city's incredible history? Welcome to Chicago, the third largest city in America and one of the most iconic destinations in the world. Every year, millions of visitors come here to admire its towering skyscrapers, explore its rich culture, enjoy world-class museums, and experience a city that has shaped modern architecture. In this video, we'll explore Chicago's history, famous landmarks, local culture, delicious food, sports, hidden gems, and the best places to visit in 2026. Let's begin our journey. Chapter 1. Where is Chicago? Chicago is located in northeastern Illinois on the southwestern shore of Lake Michigan, one of the 5 Great Lakes of North America. With a population of nearly 2.7 million people, Chicago is the third largest city in the United States after New York City and Los Angeles. The metropolitan area is home to more than 9 million residents, making it one of the country's largest economic and cultural centers. Chicago is often called the Windy City. While many people think this nickname comes from the strong winds blowing across Lake Michigan, historians believe it also referred to the city's outspoken politicians during the late 1800s. The city sits at the crossroads of America. Major highways, railroads, airports, and shipping routes all connect through Chicago, making it one of the nation's most important transportation hubs. Chapter 2. The history of Chicago long before skyscrapers filled the skyline. This land was home to Native American tribes, including the Potawatomi, Miami, and Illinois peoples. In the late 1700s, French traders began traveling through the region because it connected the Great Lakes with the Mississippi River system. This strategic location made Chicago an important trading post. Chicago officially became a city in 1837 with fewer than 5,000 residents. Everything changed during the 19th century. Railroads arrived. Factories expanded. Businesses flourished. Thousands of immigrants from Europe settled here, searching for new opportunities. Within only a few decades, Chicago transformed into one of America's fastest-growing cities. Then disaster struck. On October 8, 1871, the Great Chicago Fire broke out. The fire burned for nearly 2 days, destroying thousands of buildings across the city. More than 100,000 people were left homeless. Yet the people of Chicago refused to give up. Instead of abandoning the city, they rebuilt it bigger, stronger, and more beautiful than before. This rebuilding effort helped create modern architecture and gave birth to the world's first skyscrapers. Today, Chicago is recognized as the birthplace of the skyscraper. Chapter 3. The amazing skyline. One of the first things visitors notice is Chicago's spectacular skyline. Towering above the city are some of the tallest buildings in North America. The Willis Tower, formerly known as the Sears Tower, stands at 1,450 feet and remained the tallest building in the world for nearly 25 years. Visitors can ride high-speed elevators to the skydeck on the 103rd floor, where glass balconies extend outside the building, allowing guests to look straight down over the streets below. Another architectural masterpiece is the John Hancock Center, now officially known as 875 North Michigan Avenue. Its observation deck offers incredible views of both downtown Chicago and the endless blue waters of Lake Michigan. Chicago is often considered the birthplace of modern architecture because many famous architects, including Daniel Burnham, Louis Sullivan, and Frank Lloyd Wright, helped shape the city's unique skyline. Every building tells part of Chicago's story, from historic landmarks to sleek glass towers that define the city's modern identity. Chapter 4. Chicago Transportation. Chicago has one of the most advanced transportation systems in the United States, making it easy for both residents and tourists to travel across the city. The backbone of public transportation is the Chicago Transit Authority, commonly known as the CTA. It operates an extensive network of buses and the famous elevated train system called the L, short for elevated. The CTA train system includes 8 color-coded lines, connecting downtown Chicago with neighborhoods, airports, universities, shopping districts, and major attractions. Whether you're heading to Millennium Park, Wrigley Field, or Navy Pier, the CTA offers a convenient and affordable way to get around. Chicago is also home to two major international airports. O'Hare International Airport is one of the busiest airports in the world, serving millions of passengers every year with direct flights to destinations across North America, Europe, Asia, South America, and the Middle East. The city's second airport, Midway International Airport, mainly handles domestic flights and is known for its quick access to downtown Chicago. For visitors who enjoy scenic travel, the Chicago Water Taxi offers rides along the Chicago River, providing a unique view of the city's stunning architecture. Chicago is also considered America's railroad capital. Union Station serves as a major hub for Amtrak trains, connecting Chicago to cities such as New York, Los Angeles, Seattle, Washington, D.C., and New Orleans. Cycling has become increasingly popular in Chicago. The city features hundreds of miles of bike lanes and the Divvy Bike Share program, allowing visitors to rent bicycles from stations located throughout the city. Walking is another excellent option, especially in downtown Chicago. Wide sidewalks, pedestrian-friendly streets, and beautiful riverwalks make exploring the city on foot both safe and enjoyable. Whether by train, bus, bicycle, taxi, boat, or simply walking. Chapter 5: Chicago Hotels and Shopping Markets. Chicago welcomes millions of visitors every year, and the city offers accommodations for every budget, from luxury 5-star hotels to affordable boutique stays. Many travelers choose to stay in the Loop, Chicago's downtown district, where major attractions such as Millennium Park, the Art Institute of Chicago, and the Chicago Riverwalk are all within walking distance. The Peninsula Chicago is known for its elegant rooms, exceptional service, and rooftop spa. Another iconic property is the Langham, Chicago, offering spectacular views of the Chicago River and the city's skyline. For travelers seeking classic luxury, the Palmer House Hilton combines historic charm with modern comfort. Opened in the 19th century, it remains one of Chicago's most famous hotels. Visitors looking for more affordable accommodations can find numerous hotels and boutique stays throughout River North, Streeterville, Lincoln Park, and near North Side. After checking into a hotel, many tourists head out to explore Chicago's incredible shopping destinations. The city's most famous shopping street is the Magnificent Mile, located along North Michigan Avenue. This vibrant district features luxury brands, flagship stores, fashion boutiques, restaurants, and entertainment venues. For a more local experience, visitors often explore State Street, where department stores, souvenir shops, and historic buildings create a lively shopping atmosphere. Food lovers should not miss Chicago French Market, an indoor marketplace offering fresh produce, artisan foods, international cuisine, and locally made products. The colorful Maxwell Street Market is another Chicago tradition, where visitors can browse vintage clothing, antiques, handmade crafts, street food, and unique local finds. For luxury shopping, the 900 North Michigan shops feature premium international brands, while Water Tower Place offers multiple floors of fashion, beauty,